Hindi naman very personal, pero medyo parang personal.
Okay, parang pero hindi kayo sure kung gano'n ka personal. Tingnan natin gano'n ka personal to.
Anyway, parang nag-ano ka naman, you admitted na you're single now, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Medyo personal nga yan.
Okay. So, how is it being single?
How is it being single? It's been okay. Siyempre, I mean, marami namang ano eh. Ito po ay focus ako sa growth as a person and building sa career ko and building sa pagkatao ko. Dahil wala naman siguro perfectong tao. So, being single right now is I'm taking time talaga to, absorb yung pag-aralan ko ano ba mga pwede ko pang improve bilang isang tao.
As a person.
As a person.
Or are you looking forward to another relationship?
Am I looking forward?
Yeah,
I have to
this
be
year or
I have to be the best possible person bago ako pumasok sa ganung relationship.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Then medyo personal yun, ha?
Very probably.
At siya nagpalakpakan lahat sa